Hey friend, hey. Okay, I'm just getting ready to run into a meeting, but I wanted to leave you a quick message, and I can talk faster than I can type. I wanted to tell you about a program that I offer. It's really easy. It's not even a program, it's a tool, and it's called Grace Skin and Makeup Guide, and it's completely free. All I do is meet with a woman on FaceTime or Zoom. And I ask you a bunch of different questions about your skin and your makeup, and then while we're on the phone together or video together, I just really kind of go through with you. Okay, these are some places that you might want to look. This is something that you might want to try. Let's start here if you don't have anything. And I do have, of course, still in-person sessions, or I can give you the link for one of my virtual sessions like this. It's really easy. You just pick the date and time you want and away we go. And I send you a little link right before time so that we can hop on together. But I just think that the whole beauty space has gotten way too complex. They're using snail mucin and dew from the universe, and like there's 12 different steps, and you've got to have this Iron Man mask that like takes away wrinkles, and I think it's overwhelming. And if you're a person that doesn't wear makeup, where do you start? What's right for you? And if you wear makeup and you're not getting what you need out of it, like maybe you're struggling to find a foundation that matches, or you put it on and it's gone 3 hours later and it looks like you didn't put anything on. Whatever it is, I can help with that. And that's my favorite thing to do. So, to help accommodate women with the busy lives and just careers that we have, I want to make this available to you virtually and really cool in the month of May. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm doing a really cool project. We're working to purchase another chair for the Children's Therapy Center. And I think it's really important because they have enough therapists to see multiple children at once, but they don't have enough equipment. And so my goal is to take a big portion of anything that I sell from this month of May and donate it to getting another one of those chairs. And it's about $600 with the seat and the booster and all of the different accoutrement for it. So in the month of May, if you want to give me a try as your skin and makeup concierge, just let me know. And again, the virtual ones, you can click right on the link, or if you'd like one in person, I can come right to your kitchen table and we can sit down and do it together, whatever you prefer. So, you guys, I want you to have a great day, and thanks again.